Hello all, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I am Jaideep Jadia, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department. In this session of Basic Civil Engineering, I am covering units of measurement, length, area, volume and its conversion exercise. This subject is for automobile, mechanical and civil engineering department. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So these are the topics covered as I said. Now International System of Unit, which is also called as SI unit, is the modern form of metric system and only system of measurement with official status in nearly every country in the world. SI based unit means its standard unit of measurement. So there are 7 SI based units selected regarded as dimensionally independent. So these 7 independent parameters are: first, which is mass, name of unit is kilogram and abbreviation in small kg. Second, length, name of unit meter, abbreviation in small m. Third, time, name of unit is second, abbreviation in small s. Fourth one is temperature, name of unit Kelvin, abbreviation is capital K. Fifth one, amount of substance, name of unit is mole, abbreviation in small mol. Electric current, name of unit ampere, abbreviation is capital A. And last one, luminous intensity, candela, abbreviation is in small cd. So metric system is based on prefix like kilo, centi, milli, etc. with a base unit of measurement like kilometer, centimeter, millimeter, likewise. Now move forward, metric and standard conversion about length. So first, metric conversion: 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 square, 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Now standard conversion: 1 feet equal to 12 inches, 1 yard equal to 3 feet, 1 yard equal to 36 inches and 1 mile equal to 1760 yards. So based on these metric and standard conversion we can interrelate. So 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter, 1 foot equal to 30.48 centimeter, 1 yard equal to 91.44 centimeter, 1 yard equal to 0.914 meter, 1 mile equal to 1609 meter, 1 mile equal to 1.609 kilometer. Now metric conversion to standard conversion for length. So 1 millimeter equal to 0.039 inches, 1 centimeter equal to 0.393 inches, 1 meter equal to 39.37 inches, 1 meter equal to 3.281 feet, 1 meter equal to 1.094 yards, 1 kilometer equal to 1093.6 yard, 1 kilometer equal to 0.621 miles. So how to convert these? So for 10 yard you can convert into inches. So 1 yard equal to 3 feet, 1 feet equal to 12 inches. So 1 yard equal to 36 inches because you have to convert 12 into 3. So 10 yard equal to 36 into 10. So you will get 360 inches. Here we can see 1 yard equal to 3 feet and 1 feet equal to 12 inches. Likewise. So now exercise based on these length. So in this you have to convert length unit onto the unit given in bracket. So first one, 51 centimeter, convert them into mm. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. So 51 centimeter equal to 510 mm. Second, convert 76.2 decimeter into centimeter. So 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. So 76.2 decimeter equal to 762 centimeter. So multiply with 10. Now third, convert 0.34 decimeter into meter. So 1 decimeter equal to 0.1 meter. So 0.34 decimeter equal to, divide 0.34 by 10. So you will get 0.034 meter. So these are the answer of exercise on length. You can verify on later. So now metric and standard conversion about area. So first metric conversion. So 1 square centimeter equal to 100 square millimeter. 1 square meter equal to 10,000 square centimeter. 1 hectare equal to 10,000 square meter. 1 square kilometer equal to 100 hectares. 1 square kilometer equal to 1 million square meters. Now standard conversion. 1 square feet equal to 144 square inches. 1 square yard equal to 9 square feet. 1 acre equal to 4,840 square yard. 1 acre equal to 43,560 square feet. 1 square mile equal to 640 acres. Now relation of standard to metric conversion. 1 square centimeter equal to 0.155 square inches. 1 square meter equal to 10.76 square feet. 1 square meter equal to 1.196 square yard. 1 hectare equal to 2.471 acres. 1 square kilometer equal to 0.386 square miles. Now relation from metric to standard. So 1 square inch equal to 6.452 square centimeter. 1 square feet equal to 929 square centimeter. 1 square feet equal to 0.093 square meter. 1 square yard equal to 0.836 square meter. 1 acre equal to 0.405 hectares. 1 square mile equal to 259 square hectares. 1 square mile equal to 2.590 square kilometer. So relation. So converts 12 square feet into square inches. Here we know 1 feet equal to 12 inches. So 1 square feet equal to 12 multiply by 12. So you will get 144 square inches. So 12 square feet equal to 144 multiply by 12. So you will get 1728 inches. Now exercise based on these area. So convert area unit onto the unit given in brackets. So first one 12.9 meter square into centimeter square. So here we know 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So 12.9 meter square equal to 1,29,000 centimeter square. Second, convert 93.31 hectare into meter square. So 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. So multiply 93.31 with 10,000. So you will get 9,33,100 meter square. Okay. So these are the answer based on exercise of area. You can verify on later on. Now metric and standard conversion about volume. So first metric conversion. 1 cubic centimeter equal to 1000 cubic mm. 1 cubic meter equal to 1 million cubic centimeter. And standard conversion 1 cubic feet equal to 1728 square inches. 1 cubic yard equal to 46,656 cubic inches. 1 cubic yard equal to 27 cubic feet. Now relation between standard to metric conversion. 1 cubic inch equal to 16.38706 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic feet equal to 0.02832 cubic meter. 1 cubic yard equal to 0.76455 cubic meter. And now relation between metric to standard conversion. 1 cubic centimeter equal to 0.06102 cubic inches. 1 cubic meter equal to 35.31467 cubic feet. And 1 cubic meter equal to 1.30795 cubic yards. So let's see conversion. Convert 10 cubic yard into cubic foot. So we know 1 yard equal to 3 feet. So 1 cubic yard equal to 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So we will get 27 cubic foot. So 10 cubic yard equal to 27 multiplied by 10. So you will get 270 cubic yard. So now exercise based on volume. In this you have to convert volume units onto the unit given in bracket. First one, 6 centimeter cube into mm cube. So 1 centimeter cube equal to 1000 mm cube. So 6 centimeter cube equal to 6000 centimeter cube. Second, convert 0.006 meter cube into liter. So 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So 0.001 meter cube equal to 1 liter. So 0.006 meter cube equal to 6 liter. So these are the answer on exercise about volume. You can verify on later on. So now a note on unit. So particularly the magnitude of unit for a particular property is normally chosen such that convenient numbers are obtained. So first example, let's take for distance. So Ahmedabad to Goa distance is about 1100 kilometer. In second way we can say 11 into 10 raised to 5 meter, and in third way we can say 11 into 10 raised to 8 centimeter. In these three options we can say convenient way is 1100 kilometer. Let's take second example. So you have to consider a petrol price about 70 Indian rupees per liter, and how much petrol you will get after spending 100 Indian rupees. So you will get 1.42 in liter. Second, 1420 milliliter. So by these two answer you can say 1.42 liter is convenient way to explain. Now for larger amount, if we are considering 1000 Indian rupees petrol and assuming the petrol price about 70 rupees per liter. So first answer is 14.28 liter and second answer is 14,280 milliliter. So by this liquid example we can say we have to choose the particular property by convenient numbers. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. Thank you for watching the video.